When I do it like this, everyone asks me for the recipe.
Today, I'll add 1 cup of sugar here to the pan and let it caramelize. Here the caramel is ready, see? Now I'll pour it into our mold, already greased with butter and flour, and make this layer with the caramel. Now here I have 1 cup of shredded coconut flakes, and I am spreading it all over the pan. Continuing with our recipe, here in the blender, I will add 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons of butter or margarine, 1 cup of sugar, 200 milliliters of milk. And I will blend all these ingredients. Here, it's already blended very well. I'll transfer it to this bowl. I'll add 2 cups of wheat flour, 50 grams of shredded coconut flakes, and I will mix until our batter is ready. I have mixed it very well. I will add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and I will mix until this baking powder is incorporated. Now, I am going to transfer our batter here. Look, to the pan. Look how wonderful this cake will turn out. Now I'll take it to the pre ready. Look how beautiful it turned out. And I am sure it's wonderful too. I will cut a piece here to show you. It's super soft, crumbling.
You can see it's really fluffy, right?
Yes. Taking this piece here, look, to show you all. Look at this wonderful cake. Make it and you'll love it at your home.